Howdy Doody peeps, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, I'm not on my own. Got obstacle creator with us, MH Photography, and our usual suspect, Big D, with us today. And we are currently walking down this bit of a gorgeway here. Obviously, with all this limestone, we are in Yorkshire. Yorkshire Dales again. So the Malham lone tree is just peeping over there. But we're not doing that today. If you watched the epic vlog with Gordale Scar, we are coming another way. Coming down the valley. Hopefully we're going to come onto the top of Gordale. And if you thought the view before was epic, wait till we get to this one, because this one should be quite nice. So come along with us and enjoy it as we do. Right peeps, before we drop into the abyss, I just want to show you where we're going to go, because this is looking bloody epic, if I say so myself. This is looking amazing. Right, so we want this limestone near the edge, because that is Gordale Scar down there. We are going to be dropping down to the top waterfall, but look at all this lot down here. All the cascades and that, but look at that valley over there. I'm not going to put the drone up yet. I'm going to save that till later. I'm going to go down there first. I'm going to take you down there. Then the drone will be coming up. And yes, you guessed it, it's going to go through that valley. Because that is, oh, I'll tell you what. I might even just get the camera out now, looking at this on here, and take a shot through there. If I do, you'll see this next. Right, we have got a bit of a scrambly section to do. Just there. It's stepped most of the way. These guys are coming down now, as you can see. But yeah. That's the first bit of where you need at least one hand putting down. Yeah, the rest of it so far is quite nice, but yeah, we are now about to descend into the abyss. Getting his first glimpse now, looking down, but look at the cascades and stuff down here. I mean, them up there looking into that valley, yeah, it could be a bit of fully boots time around here, but we are going to start to descend down now, just to see what it's like down here, looking out at that side. So yeah, just bear with us, because this could be a little bit of a scramble. And here we are, Pete. Look at this. The eye looking down. Gordale Scar will be around that corner as you look round, but bloody hell, look at this. This is fantastic. I think we might be better going down that way, Dad, to it. But look at this. In the jaws. The lot. All the lot coming down there. But yeah. Be very careful, we clung to the edge coming down. These steps down here, but it's very, very tricky. So make sure you've got a spare hand to grab hold of it. That's all I'm going to say. Just be well aware, it is tricky getting to this part. There we go. Look at this, looking straight up to it. I'm going to have a look. dump the bag, get down and have a look over that edge for you, just so you can see it from this angle. I have dumped the bag and I have just come further down here now. But look at this. You can see the eye up there, just up there now, look. But yeah, I'm going to go down here, see what I can get around this corner so you can have a look. But that is one potential composition there. Obviously that waterfall coming up left hand side, leading you all the way up. So let's have a look. You can get there down the corner. Right peeps, and you can see where I'm stood. There's no way I can show you around that corner at all small. So when I can, I will put the drone up, I'll bring the drone out around the corner so you can see it. But looking at this bottom end here, and again, another possible composition on this rock here, just looking all the way up there. But what a sight this is, absolutely fantastic. I might try and get across into the middle so you can have a look. Let's have a look if we can do that. But I'm being very, very careful when I put my feet here. But this is very slippy. If you get into the middle, it'll be alright, but it's actually getting there. Obviously the force of water is unbelievable, really is coming down, is this. I'm wet, fell in, waterfalls on me, yeah, you know what happened. Anyway, look at this here. Taking no shots yet. But look at that from up there. I've got the full waterproof sun. I'm going to try and get me out of that side, just so I can show you now. Now that I'm wet, I might as well do it. Right peeps, these only 4 of us up here. We've got all that coming down up there, all these cascades. But look at how many photographers are down there. Absolutely loads of them all taking the shots from down there, but we're actually up here. Got all these falls coming down here. But yeah, this is bloody fantastic, is this. So I've got a little bit of a drop off here, so to get down there it wouldn't mean walking down, but the texture and everything up here, oh, it's fantastic. But there you go, looking out Gordale Scar from up here. Might try and get 1 or 2 shots leading your way down as you're looking out, but yeah, it is a photographer's heaven, as you can see down there by the amount of people that all got the tripods out taking shots up. But yeah, hence we've come to this top part. We've got this up here. This is unbelievable. It's pretty good down there, but I can't see anyone in the water down there, not like we're doing up here. But yeah, this is pretty special. Right, people use the word epic way too much. Well, not in this case. This is absolutely amazing. I've never seen anything like it. Come down there must be 20-30 photographers I've mentioned before, but none of them have made the effort like we have today to get up here. Fair enough, they'll get the cascades down there, but anyone can get them. Not a lot of people will try this, and this is why. We've got the waterfall coming out of the fall there, all the way down. I have got these cascades in the foreground as well, leading you all the way up. Yeah, I'm going to work this. It will be similar compositions, because obviously that up there is fantastic, absolutely bloody amazing. I'm going to try and go over to that side as well, to see if we can get anything over there. I think I'll wet, so I might as well carry on getting wet. But yeah, first composition. I'll put this up now. I'm at ISO 100, f16. I've got no filters on at all, and I'm getting an 1/8 of a second, which the water coming down, I think that is just about right, 1/8 of a second. Yeah, I'll put this one on now for you. I'm just taking a shot over there, but I couldn't video it because of the way I was stood, but anyway, this is what I've got to contend with getting back across. I've got to fucking go in. What is it? Balls deep and bloody water again for me. Right, I'm out of way people's shots now. But yeah, I'll put that shot for you now because I think it was worth getting wet feet for. Yeah, I've got the waterproof pants on, but my feet are a bit wet. Peeps, I've been in again, getting a bit wetter, but while everyone's shooting down this bottom end now, I'm going to get the drone up and get it quite close to the can and fly it up and over and just show you little bits and bats around here again from a different angle, something where you wouldn't normally get it from. So yeah, I'll get the drone up and I'll put the footage on now for you.
Don't you hear the water rolling down the mountain, rolling down the mountain and running into the sea? Can't you feel my heartbeat? Steady as a drum, babe, steady as a drum, babe, and crawling to me. No, time moves slow. You feel it in your soul. Let me hear you go. I wanna feel the water rising, washes over me. I wanna run with the water, but it pulls me out to sea. Don't you feel the yearning, burning within, yearning for the skin of the one you cannot win? So come a little closer, deep inside your mind, of the capsules and the times when you were free. You know time moves slow. You feel it in your soul. Let me hear you go.
Right, Pete, I've climbed up the waterfall for you. Just to see what it's like going back. I would like to get the camera up here, but it was a bit dicey. But I don't know whether it could be worth it or not. Look, this fall coming down here, you are looking straight out into the valley. But yeah, this could be quite nice. This waterfall coming down. So if I do get the camera up here, I'll put this shot on next. I won't go through the composition with you because I can't bring all the gear up here. So it was a bit of a climb to get to this point. As you can see, we're right underneath the opening and just right at the side of the waterfall, but there's all this green moss and stuff everywhere around here. And look at all of this under here. There's another little canyon round there, look. So yeah, this place is fantastic. So what I will do, I will try and get the camera up anyway. I'll try and get a shot for you. Probably round about here somewhere, then I'm away from the spray. The spray is unbelievable. And I'll get round here somewhere with the waterfall coming down. I'll get these rocks in the foreground. And then looking straight out the start of Gordale Scar going round the corner for you. If I've done it, you'll see it next. Right, peeps, I'm just taking a shot from this fall here. Yes, my feet are wet again, I've had to get across into the middle. So I've taken this one as well on the vertical, looking straight up, which is apart from the very first shot, that could be my other favourite. However, I've come to this one. As you can see, I've got the camera quite low, just to make use of these falls here. This one is a horizontal. Probably the only horizontal shot I can get to taking account all this flow, creeping up from the right hand side, all this comes up for the left, up and over, going to that hole up there. So yeah, short speed again, around about 8 to the second. I've cranked it up to F22, which I ain't bothered about, just so I can get that short speed. It's all about the short speed with this amount of water coming through. So yeah, what I'll do, I'll put you through the viewfinder and you can have a look. Let me set the lens cap off. There you go. That's the shot at the moment. They're leading you straight off up there, so yeah. Another shot in the bag, so I'll pop this one on next for you. Right, Pete. I think Nick is going to be our last shot, well my last shot anyway. Try and get a horizontal version. I've got it sweeping up, try and get you to see the whole canyon view up here. So it does sweep from the right up towards the left. So what I'll do, I'll finish with this final image and I'm going to get the drone footage out. If you don't know who this guy is, you should do. MH photography.
Nice plug.
Optical creators down there and Big D's just behind us. I think we can all say this has been an absolutely epic morning. That word gets overused, but not in this case. So what I'll do, I'll finish this last image and I'm going to get the drone up on the way back and fly it through that valley. So I think it'll be a change of drone batteries and I'll finish with all the images now for you. So if you've enjoyed this, please give the old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. If you're going to come to this place, I'm starting to do waterfall workshops, so send me a message and we'll sort something out. So yeah, bye for now. Right peeps, we are trying something different. You know what we're like? We always like to try something a little bit different. Down at the waterfall down there, I had an idea trying to get into the eye. So, Dean and Daniel are trying it. Daz and Martin are still down at the bottom. I've got it strapped to my shoulder harness because this is steep. We are following, I think it's a bit of a sheep path. So, I'm just going to see where it takes us. Just to see if we can get anywhere near the bottom. But you can see the opening coming through there, so whether we can get down there or not, I think we actually can. So just bear with us, because this is a scramble and a half. It's a bit breezy up here as well, so we can go across there to the edge, but we want to go down to the waterfall. So bear with us a minute. I've got the backpacks on as well. We did have to pass stuff down to each other. It was a bit of a scramble down. So I wouldn't recommend this. Not at all. Unless you've got someone else with you. So, and Daniel kindly volunteered to come with me. Oh my god. There's a little plaque here as well. Look at this. This is, oh wow, this is breathtaking, isn't it? Absolutely. Oh shit, no, look behind you. Oh, look at this. That is, oh, right. First things first, let me get you on the gimbal. Let me just wipe this lens a minute. Right peeps, I think we've hit the jackpot. Gonna get across that side, you can get through and look at the eye looking down. Obviously you can see over here as well. A nice shot is this, with this rock in the foreground, so I'll try and get that as well. But as we turned around, look at this. You've got the falls, the tree. If we get over to the other side, we might be able to get that tree separated in the middle, overlooking as such, but we'll try that in a bit. In the meantime, it's wet feet time to get across to the other side of this beck. I'm alright because my feet are already wet. His feet are still dry. So yeah, right, let's try it. This is the top of it. We've got in the eye itself. So yeah, coming down the beck, coming down here. Daniel's up there. There's a wave. It just comes down and round. Whether I can get a shot or not, I don't know. But it might have to be on that rock, getting down there. I can't get any closer than that. Or can I? No. I don't think I am. I'm going to try and get a shot just up here, looking down so you can see it outside. Yeah, that'll be it. So, do that. I'll bob that on next to you, and then we'll try and get that tree. I've got some drizzle coming in a minute. So, yeah, watch this space. Right, peeps. Back with you. I have just got a shot of the eye. Just funny for a minute. Just looking down there. I didn't get quite close into the middle, but it's coming down. I didn't vlog it because I was in the middle. Anyway, safety comes first. So I was being very careful. I put a tripod. I didn't want to get too close. So that is one big drop off, is that. So anyway, I'll put the image on now for you. I'm going to try and get that tree. So if I do, I'll pop that on as well with you. And I will get the drone back up and send the drone down as well once this drizzle stops. So yeah, this time it is a goodbye. Obviously, thumbs up time. I've said all my goodbyes before, so I'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now.
Serendipity's played a cruel trick on me, taking you so far that I can barely breathe. The times I'd ride for us here, my dear. It's time you go on your way. Don't you fear, just take hope. It'll be our anchor in the storm of our lives. It'll be our savior like a ship when your eyes